Hi, Claudia here. Today I want to share with you my junk journal sample. So it's not a junk journal to be used, but just to hold all the ideas that I have seen for years in internet. And my bigger inspiration came from Richard from Treasure Books and Eat from Scrapbooking with me. I love all her videos, but what I do is when I see a video and I see something that I like it, I always try to give a twist. So I put my own touch on it. And so it is huge. So in some cases I have to add extension just to put it. So we have tags, we have flips, we have letters. This is the belly band, and this one is the one that I was saying that I have to put an extension because this one is 17 or 11. No, this one is 11, but the paper is 11 by let me see, 11 by 17. So that's why it's so huge. But I like it because I can put all my samples, and some are mine. So, and this one has, magnet. Whenever I made it, I put a magnet and hold the cascade in place. This one has the journaling space. This is a belly band with the hidden pocket, and this one is a wraparound, and so it has a pocket one side and pocket on the other. So I will make videos. I don't know if for everything, but I will try my best so I can share all the beautiful thing that I have learned from years. And so this is one thing I want to introduce you. My first digital is 4 pages. It's a master board. It's mainly to be used as a background to cover tags maybe. And today I'm gonna start Claudia's tag collections. So I'm gonna make one tag every week and share with you. I'm gonna try not to make it too long. So, and today we're gonna have the multi-layer tag. And today, obviously, I'm gonna start with my paper. This is my digital. And so this collection is 4 tags, and one has a little pocket to put a tag, and I will give you all the measurements. And let's start. So those are 4 tags. I cut all the papers and I distress everything because I don't want to have a very long video. Not all of us has time to do it. So this one is 4.5 by 2.5. The next one is 6 by 3. The next one is 8.25. And I use folders, so I took advantage of the fold, and this is going to be the pocket. So it doesn't matter if the paper, the fold has the lines, it's going to be hide and close. And so that one is 8.25 by 3.5, and this one is 7 by 4. So let's start it. is the weather where you are? Here has been hot, a little bit too much for my taste, but and they say that it's gonna be even hotter. So let's close it so we can have the pocket. And it dry very quick, but it doesn't hurt to help a little bit. Okay. Okay. So here we have the tags. Let's see what we have here to put it all together. This so I can put a flower. I like the flower. So we're gonna take the 4 tags . We're gonna try to center all of them and to make a little hole. Put it together with this lovely flower. And what I'm going to do is so the idea of those tags is you can move it like this, and here we have enough space to put more cute stuff. So, but we don't want to squeeze it too much because this one need to have enough space so that that can move. What I like to do is I'm going to put a little piece of cardstock. Let me see here. Okay. Let's see. Gonna put this one to cover the legs of the flower back here, but it's gonna be loose anyway, enough to move the tags wherever we want it. So let's cover it. See, they move, but you don't have the ugly thing on the back, and we're gonna cover with that. And because this one goes in a journal, that you will glue it, or you can just clip it. Let's clip it so you can see. This one is here. And even though it's in the journal, you can move it around. And you can add all kind of stuff here. Let's see, we have this beautiful butterfly. We can put a butterfly here and some tags or goodies. And it's gonna be there anyway. Well, that's it for today. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Please leave a comment. That will help me a lot. Okay, I wish you a great day. See you soon. Bye.